Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can free up RAM on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, first we can go to the settings, then scroll down and go to device care, and finally tap memory. After a few seconds we should see the summary, and here we have the option to clean our device in order to free up memory by stopping background apps. So let's press this button. These apps will now be stopped. And after a few seconds, we should see the results. There we go. Now, in addition to that, we can also go to memory resident apps, which are apps that run in the background all the time. Now, for instance, if you use live wallpaper from TikTok, like I do, then of course they will be using RAM all the time. So we can put apps from this list in deep sleep. However, of course, it will have some consequences. Therefore, if you use live wallpaper, then you should consider changing it to like a normal static wallpaper in order to free up RAM, if of course you care about it. So to do so, of course, we need to go to the settings, and then in the settings you want to go to wallpaper and style, and then over here go to change wallpaper, and here you can select a new static wallpaper for yourself. Now, another thing that you can do is also disable apps and force stop apps. So in the settings you can go to apps, which should be below device care. Over here you have the list of apps, and then you could try to find apps that you are certain that you don't use at all. So let's say I'm gonna choose Android Auto as an example, and then at the bottom over here we have at least two options. One would be disable and the other force stop. So you might want to force stop an app if you are certain that you don't need it anymore, or you can completely disable this app and it will no longer work until you turn it back on. And finally, we also have background apps, so you can use the button at the bottom of the screen, if you use buttons of course, in order to open background apps, or if you use gestures, then in that case you want to swipe from the bottom towards the middle and hold your finger for a second, so like so. There we go. And now over here you can see the background apps, and you can simply close all in order to free up RAM. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.